Hi, today is the fourth training session. Today I will show you how to create customer, how to create state, city, zone, area of the customer, and how to search the customer based on area, based on city, based on pin code. I'll log in with my ID. This is the main page of the software. I go to customer. Here I can see different option: customer master, customer category, customer industry, inactive region, customer group, and actual customer. Customer master having sub option state, city, zone, area. I go to state where I can see all the state which you have already made for giving a demo. I create one more state just for giving demo, Andhra Pradesh. This way you can create state, different state. If I want to see in Gujarat how many city I have defined, I can click on the view city. Then I can see the city which we have defined under the Gujarat state. If you want to change the state, I can just change this way. Like change the spelling, or I can change the. If I would remove this, I can just give option on delete here and delete the state. But you can see here it giving error to you, unable to delete record active state. Means this state is having already you defined the area and the state, so you can't remove the state. This way you can define city. City is same screen, that this is already city which you have made, different city. In the state, I want to see how many zone I have made under Mumbai. I can just click on the view zone. I can see what zone I have made. If I want to see how many customers are in the city of Mumbai, I click on that view customer and I can see different customer which are under the Mumbai city. Next master is creating zone. Now zone is required where there is a metro city where you can bifurcate a city into different zone. This is very useful to assign the customer, assign the complaint, assign a technician, and to know how many customers are there in particular zone. You must define this zone to get a proper reporting and proper analysis report. Next is a customer area. Now zone divided different area. Like in Mumbai, we have zone Mumbai Central, Mumbai Western, where we have Khar, where we have Bandra, we have zone like Sakinaka. So they are all different area. So this is the flow. Under one state, example Maharashtra, we have different city. Under one city, we have different zone. Under one zone, we have different area. These are the four bifurcation of customer in different state and city. Now next master is category. Category, this we require to define. If I want to define the customer category, like it is a corporate customer, or it's a micro SME, or it's a NGO. So this category will help us to know how many customers are there who are corporate. I want to see how many customers are NGO. So we can define this way different customer category. Next is customer industry. These are the actual industry of the customer. Like you can see here an example, we are given different industry like agriculture, architect, automobile, bank, broking, builder. This will help us to identify the customer based on the industry. Next master you can see is inactive reason. Due to some reason, customer is not active. In the sense, customer not active. They were customers. Now today they are not customer. So if you want to know more reason, you can just define the reason. why it is not there. So after, so you can get the idea, okay, why customer is not active, what is the reason. You can see example we given, aims not renew, company shifted. Or you can see, I can create one more reason, that company is not using our product. These are the different reason which you can define once in the master. Next is customer group. Customer group is to define, like example I give you of HDFC Bank. This is example HDFC Bank. I am having 50 or 55 different branches of HDFC Bank to whom I am giving services. I want to report of HDFC Bank as a group, so I must connect these branches into a main group. So this is the way, this is the only group creation. You can see here to define my HDFC Bank. I'll take it example of this only and show you further on this example. So I will show you how to change. If you want to change this thing, you can change the HDFC Bank's address. This is only a demo entry. When you go for software, we clear all the entry and give it to you a plain software with no entry. But for giving training or to giving demo, we have created some demo entry. I can see how many customers there of HDFC Bank. Click on this and I can see the list of, there are 2 branches which you have defined under the HDFC Bank group. Now I'll show you the exact how to create the customer. First I'll show you how to create the customer. This is the customer page. You can see all list of customer which are already there, which you have created to give you demo. You can see second page, third page, the different pages. The heading you can see here, customer name, a site location, customer city, customer address, unactive, you can unactive the customer from here only. You can view the customer, you can also view the cell contact of the customer. We will see afterwards how to use all this feature. I go to add customer, I create the customer, add new, I create, as I told you, HDFC Bank. I put here branch, Vashi branch, location Vashi. This is optional consumer number. I put here address of the Vashi branch, 82 Vashi Road near railway station. Vashi. Full landmark. This is for easy for you, for technician to search the address when we give them the complaint. Near Vashi station. City, I can say Mumbai. Select Mumbai. Zone, Western zone, or I can say Mumbai. I can just also click on this button to get the all the zone. I select Mumbai Harbour area. I can just see the area is there or not. It's defined. I select Vashi. If it is not there, you can click on this plus signature and you get the option to create the area under the zone. Zip code 401100. Customer category, I can just put bank. This I put here corporate. Industry, this bank industry, so I put here bank. Customer group, HDFC group. This HDFC Bank. This is the customer group. Note is optional. This is optional. Login ID, password. It happened that sometimes customer want their own ID to log the complaint, or they wanted to see their all the complaint. You can give them the login ID and the password, so they can log in the software and they can see their calls. They can see their all the history as well as the product which are there in the AMC. To create the contact, the option given contact person detail and define here the contact to whom we are interact. Put here designate. This is all optional. Manager. This is the cell number. Now this cell number is where software we are going to send the WhatsApp message when they book the complaint. ID of the person. This ID we will use to send the email of complaint and email of complaint resolution. This will create the customer. I just save the customer and customer will got created. I'll show you now filtering of the customer. Go to customer screen. You can see a show filter tab we are given. Here you can see all the different possibility of searching customer. For example, I want to see how many customers are there in Bandra, or you can see Bhiwandi. You can search. I can see one customer in Bhiwandi, customer name, all these things. I reset this. If you want to see how many customers are there in Gujarat, I just select Gujarat here in city, click on search. There is no customer. I can see here how many customers are there in Thane. Click on this and I can search. I can see customer which are in Thane. So this way you can also select customer in particular zone, customer in particular zip. You can see customer. I want to see how many corporates are there. And click on this and I can see the corporate customer to whom I am catering. Industry, I can see how many bank. I can just select one bank and I can see search here. I can see these two banks. This we have created just now. Customer group, I can see different group are there which you have defined. I can select the group which are there. HDFC group or something, can select here HDFC group. I can see here HDFC group. So this way you can search, you can filter the customer. If I want list on the Excel sheet, option given here, download the list. Click on this and you can download the entire list in the Excel file. But this feature is based on the role. If you are not authorized to download list, software will not show this option of download list. This is all about customer creation, customer search. Thank you.